Whether you're a one-man with a van, business or multi-vehicle operator, Yorkshire Tail Lift Services is your one-stop commercial vehicle repairer and fabrication specialist.
We've got the whole of the UK covered through our network of approved service agents, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, providing a comprehensive range of services to meet all your needs. So if you need commercial vehicle body repairs, tail lift and shutter engineering and body fabrication, plus truck and trailer MOT preparation and servicing, we can help. And thanks to our rapid response mobile service vehicles, we won't keep you hanging about. Our aim is to keep vehicles on the road and working, cost effectively, efficiently and legally for the operator. Fabrication and bodybuilding repairs are also undertaken in our workshop. We also provide curtain welding and a windscreen repair and replacement service.
So don't hesitate to call Yorkshire Tail Lift Services on 07525 146 285.